Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Faiz bin Muhammad Rafdzi, and today I'm going to present to you a bit about our group's research title, which is the nuclear reaction technologies and its ethics. Starting off with the applications and benefits, most people, I believe, when the word nuclear is mentioned, we will start thinking about the nuclear icon or the big bulky smokestacks of the nuclear power plant. And that is true. Most of the nuclear technology is for power generation. So this happens thanks to the huge benefit of nuclear material when compared to coal or natural gas power plant. So it is expected that 1 tons of uranium is able to produce as much as 3,500 tons of coal in terms of power generation. But nuclear power goes more than that. One of them is the cogeneration, where the heat and electricity produced from the power plant are used. One application of this is the district cooling/heating. As the name implies, the heat from the power plant is used to heat up the districts in, well, cold area. Some countries that have used this kind of technology is Russia, China, Sweden, and Switzerland. Second is hydrogen/alternative fuel production. You see, hydrogen is very useful in chemical engineering. They are used for like refining petroleums, treating metals, and also producing fertilizers. Next one is transportation. If you ever heard of nuclear powered aircraft carrier or nuclear powered submarine, then you may have guessed it correct that those vehicles actually have the nuclear generator inside them. Hospital also utilizes nuclear technology in terms of X-ray or gamma rays or alpha and electron beams in treating cancer. So now let's address the big elephant in the room, which is the accidents related to the nuclear technology. Two of the most disastrous disaster happens. One in the Chernobyl in 1986, and the latest one is in Fukushima Daiichi, which happens in 2011. So Chernobyl accident has caused the area surrounding the ground zero totally uninhabitable to this day. As for the Fukushima, the Japanese government actually are allowing the people to return back to some of the affected zones. This poses a view that thanks to the control technological advancement, the modern power plant is actually well equipped with the control and preventive measures should the worst happen. For your information, Fukushima Meltdown actually releases 90% less radiation into the atmosphere compared to the Chernobyl accident. In the area affected in Fukushima, where the highly radiated area is about 60 kilometers in Fukushima, as opposed to approximately 500 kilometers in Chernobyl. There is also the alarming fact that nuclear materials can be, well, weaponized into weapons of mass destruction, or short form WMD, and this one really requires a strict regulation from the international body to ensure the public safety and security, proliferation resistance, and also environmental protection. So to wrap things up, we will talk a bit about whether it is ethical to deploy this technology or not. It is without a doubt that the risk of nuclear meltdown/weaponizing the material present. In fact, global nuclear repository is enough to cause nuclear winter on Earth should all of them be detonated. However, the benefits are too big to just be ignored from the multitude of applications of it. And then it is also one of the, well, cleanest energy available for us to use. And since global warming is such a huge issue, we really need to take it as alternative for our power generation. So personally, after weighing the goods and bads of the nuclear reaction technology, we think that it is ethical, if not essential, for us to use nuclear technology in current era and for our future generation. Thank you for your time and have a good day. See ya.